Here we go. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Learn Plan Profit. Hope that you guys are all having a good start to the morning. And we are off. So we got SQs with a little bit of a pullback. We got TQs pushing up to 127.10, 127.30, 127.50. Holy smokes. Looks like I missed that nice little push. 127.50. So looking at /NQ, we just pushed up all the... Whoa. Pushed up all the way to the middle VWAP, pulling back as of right now. Let's see what we got going on today. All right, here we go. A /NQ was showing signs of an overall uptrend pattern, and right up until 3 a.m. Arizona time, we began to break below the SMA line and make lower lows and lower highs. Now the market opened and now we're changing directions. So let's see what we can make out of today. Let's go in. I'm going to go in light. It's a little bit more on the overbought side, but I'll go in with 50 shares and see what we can make out of it. So let's see if we can wait for a little bit of a pullback. Not pulling back at all. Strong momentum right now, so there we go. All right. Whoa, that's a strong pullback. All right, so I'll enter with 50 shares here. All right, so that's at 36. /NQ is pushing once again. Here it goes. Testing. I'll add 50 more shares. Oh. Waiting to see if we actually get higher highs. Oh, I close the chat. Oops. Sorry. Good morning. Happy Friday. Hope that you guys are all having a good start to your day. What's up, boss? What's up? I'm gonna... Wow. Dude. Okay. So we can notice right away that volatility is present. So quick heads up. You guys can see that it shot from 127 to 130 in a second. So please be careful. Right away, if you don't perform well on Fridays, nothing wrong with being selective. There we go. We're back out. Okay. You guys could see the momentum. You guys could see the volatility. Oh my goodness. Wow. Light some here. Holy smokes. We are dropping. Wow. What a crazy move right now. There we go. Yeah, I know you sold 100. It does that to me every single time. Here it goes, testing previous support levels. There we go. Wow. Dude. Oh my goodness, this is insane. What a change of direction. I mean, it showed previous signs of descending patterns. I want to buy like 50 shares, so $6,000, and see where we go from here. Dude, it keeps going. It keeps going. Holy smokes. All right, I think we found it. Did we? I think so. All right. Let's see. Too good. Too good right now. Oh, it's struggling. I'm going to hold back on this. I'm fine with being in with 100 shares. So, oh boy. What a change of direction. Insane. Insane. What did I get? How do I remove the live chat from my screen? I mean, this live chat, you should just be able to, I mean, move it around and you can exit this out. Let's see. Hey, what's going on, Sean? Welcome, welcome. All right, here we go. Looking a little bit better. So again, we're trying to find a support level on TQs. So it's hard to see with SQs and TQs, but overall, as of right now, honestly, I would not get into TQs if you're under the PDT rule. It just saw a quick change of direction, and based off of how we were trading during the pre-market session and how we're now trading and making lower lows and lower highs, there's a greater form of risk trying to trade TQs. And I'm telling you this as I'm trading it. I'm okay with taking the risk because I can tolerate it. If you're new and you're someone that's just getting started, please don't be afraid to hold back. It's a Friday. I would hate for you to take a forceful trade that is not needed nor necessary just for the sake of it, right? Be empowered to be your own person. But if you see a trade opportunity, and you can manage your risk, you can, watch your position size, then why not, right? If you see it to be worth it, then great. I want you to enjoy what it is that we do every single day. I don't want you to be so obsessive about trying to make money that you end up doing the exact opposite and making a couple mistakes along the way. Ooh, big push. Big push, testing EMA line for potential. I'm going to, and again, this is because I'm a big baby, but I'm going to sell half of my position. I'm all about locking in profits. And if it breaks above the EMA line, then guess what? I'll add more to my position size. Until then, this is a descending pattern, and it is my number one responsibility to manage my risk. And there it goes. It's pulling back a little bit, so we'll see where it goes from here. Maybe I should go into, yeah. Ricky just made $700 in 10 minutes. Well, yeah, I mean, but not every day is like this, right? How come your amount per share is changing so much faster than mine on Thinkorswim? It's because TD Ameritrade loves me and they would rather give me real-time quotes than you. Totally kidding. I have no idea. I have real-time quotes and there's a setup. I was totally a joke. I'm trying to be funny with you. There's like a setup tool under application settings. A lot of people within our group know, I forgot what it was. I don't know if it's display. If you guys remember what it was exactly, but you have to subscribe to real-time quotes, and then there's even a 3-second delay sometimes. So I was like, damn, Ricky, no, yeah, I'm totally joking with you. I like having fun with you guys. I hope that that's okay. All right, so I'm holding back. I didn't add more to my position. 500 shares is enough just to have some skin in the game. And we're waiting on this one. We're waiting to see if we make higher highs. All right, so /NQ. Let's see, can we make some higher highs? So we are testing the EMA line. Can we continue to push up? If so, I can go into TQs. If not, then guess what? If it gets rejected, then I'll go into SQs. So he isn't playing today. I have a goal today, Laura. I have a goal, and we need to hit that goal. If I hit $4,000 profit today in the past 4 days of trading, I would have I would clear, what was it? $20,000. So yeah, this week has been one of my more aggressive weeks. No, in 4 days, yeah. Here it goes. And by a more aggressive week, I mean my best week ever trading in the stock market. That's what I mean. I'm not trying to sugarcoat it. You know, it would be my best week ever. It has been my worst week, yeah, and that's one of the main reasons that I have not been super open about trying to post my profits. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll post it from time to time, but for people that follow me on YouTube, I've been trying to not showcase profits bigger than $2,000 in a day. I don't like posting extremely big green days when I know a majority of the market is down, you know? And that's just me. I get really bad feedback because people think I'm trying to flex or whatever, even if I'm just doing a recap. So I just hope that you guys know that at the end of the day, my number one focus, you know, although I do trade, is to make sure that if it's ever, like, I don't benefit from sharing my profits by bringing other people down. So this week has sucked for a lot of people. Obviously, by being able to focus on SQs as the overall market has been selling off, has played out pretty well for myself. Yeah. So can you share when you took your SQs position? I did. I was trading. But during this live trading session. Do you mean like when I bought it? I literally bought it right before the live stream. It looks like it's finding a support level here, so I'm going to have to close out a portion of this position. Although it did not go according to plan, I'm almost pretty much break even on this as of right now. So I'm going to close at least half of it down. And let me explain to you first. Hopefully it doesn't do what I expected or what I'm seeing it do. You guys can see that this is an overall descending pattern, but it from time to time finds a support level and then reverses right back up. As of right now, it looks like it is getting rejected by the EMA line, but we're not making lower lows anymore. So because we're not making lower lows, it's almost like it's making higher lows. And what that normally is showcasing signs of is that, again, it has the potential to find a support level and then have a nice little run up. And for me, being in an open position on the inverse ETF probably isn't, it's not that it has to do that. It's that because of that being a possibility, because of it finding a consistent support level, it probably isn't in my best interest to have too heavy of a position. And I don't have a heavy position, but I have a heavier position than I would want right now. And by that, I mean 500 shares. So let's see. It's going. It's going to go. I would actually be surprised if it pulls back. This is fine. This is pulling back to the EMA line is one thing. I'd be surprised if it sells right back off down to here. All right. It's testing. Do you guys see that? It's testing this EMA line as a support. And there it goes. Support. Let's see. Yep. So I'm going to have to chill with this. And it sucks, but it's part of the game, right? So now I got out of that SQ's position, and now we're in TQs. So let's see what we can do here. Ricky, why do you prefer trading /NQ versus /ES? So first off, I don't trade neither NQ or ES. I pay attention to NQ because it correlates on over to TQs and SQs. Volatility. Look at SPY. SPY is the S&P 500, which is the /ES ETF. Look at how much that moves within the same time frame that TQs moves, and then you'll answer your question. TQs moves more than SPY, and because of that, I find that attractive. I used to trade UGAS and DGAS, which was much more volatile, and I like that volatility. If you want something that moves slower than TQs, then hey, you just found a solution for yourself, right? Because you understand on why I trade TQs, now you can find something that's more applicable to you. The SPY is more like QQQ. I agree. That is very correct. Come on, homie. And potential support level based off of previous patterns. So again, we could drop a little bit below this, but the overall idea is that, and there it goes. So the overall idea is that it doesn't hold up here for a very long period of time. So again, I can be completely wrong, and I'll have to adjust accordingly as I sold my TQs position already. You might be asking, Ricky, why did you sell your TQs position? And you guys, if you guys want to help me answer this, why would I sell my TQs, which goes up when /NQ goes up, when /NQ is still pushing up. Why? Why would I sell it? Based off of previous patterns, why would I sell it? Previous resistance levels, locking in profits. Again, I never know. I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know how much something can shoot up. All I know is that almost every single time since, even during pre-market session, it approaches this SMA line, it gets rejected. And sometimes, of course, it does push above it, but then it gets rejected. It pushed above it, so as we approached, then became, not even, of course, it's overbought, right? So looking at the RSI, looking at the MACD, definitely is overbought, at least in my eyes. Maybe that's just me, right? But because it's so overbought, I see some pullback potential because overall on the day, it looks like /NQ, since the market has opened, has been making lower lows and lower highs. That's just me. So I decided to lock in profits, and now I'm paying attention to SQs. Is that the best thing to do? No, I could be completely wrong, and I do agree with you. I could easily be completely wrong, and I'm going to have to cut losses and accept my loss, and that's just part of the game. Why can't I move this? But it looks like we're doing fine as of now. Nice little pullback for the boys. There it goes. Not too shabby. Testing support level. Testing EMA line as support level so we could bounce here and then continue to push up. So be careful with this. I need it to break below this EMA line. There it goes. Oh. What do you guys got going on this weekend? Anything special? Training my puppy, reviewing the LPP course, looking at DL for a swing trade. Got my 240SX back after 4 years. Wow. I know what that one is. Hanging with you in LA. I'm not going to be in LA this weekend, unfortunately, but I appreciate it. Are you coming back out to Newport? I'm not this weekend. I'm taking a little bit of a break, and I'm going to be there next week again I just realized, we have a lot of relatives or family that have birthdays during the last quarter of the year. It's crazy. All right, guys. This is what we got going on. Do you see it testing? Pulling back. So again, I want this to sell up back off. So now I need to wait for confirmation. Here it goes. And I'm going to buy 500 shares. There it goes. And it still does not have to go according to plan. It can still bounce. It can still do all its thing. And so hit my daily goal. Time to relax. I like that. That's a great mentality to have. Once you hit your daily goal, or once you're getting closer to your daily goal, why approach the market in such an aggressive manner, right? I like that, Jessica. Nice. Mine is this month. Ricky, we must be family, Daniel, because half my family and cousins and everything have had birthdays and celebrations this past month and for the next 2 months, almost every single weekend. There it goes. Strong support level. Again, I was wrong. Look at that. It takes 5 minutes, right, for this thing to sell off, and it takes 1 minute for it to recover. So picking up my new Corvette ZA after almost a year of waiting. I like that, Eddie. That's exciting. You better film that. Love to see your reaction. like that, Dorian. So hit 2% goal. Also ever visit Japan? I have. I went to go visit Japan for like 3 days. It wasn't what I expected. I expected Tokyo Drift, Japan, and I know that's like, I don't, I know that's crazy, but I didn't know what to, expect. The food was just so much more different, to say the least. Weston is allergic to everything under the sun. So by him being allergic to everything, you know, it was difficult for us to be there. And then we were supposed to stay there for about a week, and then we cut the trip short, and I flew the team and I to Spain. It was just, I speak Spanish, and our team is more accustomed to that kind of food. But a lot of parts of Japan were pretty cool. Here we go. Oh, dang it! It's still going. It's still going. Oh boy, this thing played out even better than I anticipated. Look at that. Look at that. Did we not get this setup? Yep, paella in Spain. Of course. I get this. Is that even a question? I almost got that every single day. All right, how much was that? All right, good. Good thing I didn't look at my profits as I'm trading, because I probably would have held it a little bit longer, only for the reason of trying to make more profit. But not bad. All right, well, I'm going to buy 50 shares. 50 shares is $6,000. So it's a very small position size for how I trade. Let's see what we can make out of today. Alrighty. Dropping. See where we're at. Big recovery. All right. So how do you manage to send your products almost the same day? Your delivery is very fast. We're still learning so much when it comes down to our e-commerce store on what to do, what not to do, and we've made so many mistakes along the way. But that's the biggest thing, Vantage Trading. It's like we have a team that tries to the best of our ability, just like when you guys are learning how to do anything, to learn from your mistakes. Especially when we were just getting started, it wasn't. I mean, we were making mistakes. We didn't want to drop ship products or anything like that. We wanted to in-house everything here in Arizona, and we knew that it was going to be a challenge for us because we had no experience in housing, our e-commerce store. But it comes down to nothing's impossible, and we just tried to the best of our ability to figure it out, and slowly but surely we're getting better. So we're still not perfect, but yeah, there's days, there's weeks that we perform very well when it comes down to how we ship out our products, and there's sometimes that we're a little bit further behind. So I got the bull wall art. I like that. Yeah, we shipped it out. We shipped out all of our orders yesterday. If you ordered before 4 o'clock, we shipped them out all the same day. But there's been times that we've really, have taken a lot longer. So I appreciate you guys just always being so patient with me and just talking to me when you guys, when there is an issue, the only way that we can learn from our mistakes is if you guys make it apparent to us. And we're always looking forward to just getting a little bit better. We know we're not going to be the best right away, but slowly but surely we'll get better. So thank you. You got the bull art and you haven't sent me a picture of your trading setup? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Going to mention it one more time. More hoodies. I actually don't think we ordered hoodies for our next line of clothing. Ooh, and our next lot is supposed to come by next week. Just a heads up. So we have new flags that all match the new line of clothing, and I think you guys will like it. So appreciate that, Ivan. That's way too good of a compliment, but I appreciate it. I like that, Roberto. Happy to have you here. I really hope for all of the people that are just getting started, not every day is like this. Not every day is super fluid. Some days are just, bad trade after bad trade after bad trade after bad trade. Be honest, right? I mean, you guys have seen it firsthand, even with myself. The biggest thing is position size and knowing how to manage your risk. When things go south, you guys saw that I would try to quickly cut losses. And that's what it's all about. It's not that you have to be a perfect trader right when you're getting started, that you have to make money right away, because let's be honest, you probably won't be. But that you focus on the learning aspect so you can learn from your mistakes just to get a little bit better over time to then see a big difference. And I'm here to assist you along the way. Just a reminder, we do have our affiliate coupons. So for all those that are Learn Plan Profit affiliate partners, if you have any friends, any families, if you're making videos on YouTube and you want to showcase your progress and people are asking you how you learned and you want to refer them to Learn Plan Profit, then you guys earn 20% of whatever it is that they end up purchasing the prize with. So if you're not an affiliate partner, just send me a message on Discord that you want to be, and then we can go from there. So okay. I like that. So if you messaged me over a day ago and I still haven't responded, send me like a little bump or something like that. Send me a period or like an arrow above, just so, again, I'm human. I make mistakes and I don't see all the messages. But I'm one direct message away, right? You can set yourself up as an affiliate partner and we can see what we can make happen. But, oh my goodness, my time is up with you guys already. It's already 32 minutes. This thing is struggling, and I feel like I'm gonna watch me get stop lossed out just perfectly like last time. It wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't be the first time. Today is hype. You should do an all-day stream one day. Yeah, you guys always ask me, and I always tell you the same thing. You guys always ask me for a one-day stream. It's like I have a series of different responsibilities throughout the morning that I can't always do longer than what I already offer. I do apologize. I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer. I hope that you guys understand. Today I have to go meet up with our carpenter or our general contractor at the HQ. We're getting some work done, getting some touch-ups when it comes down to the flooring, and I need to finish some stuff. 24-hour charity stream. That could be something. Donate all the profits and donations to charity. I like that. So, love to see it. Okay. We have a big one right here. And I'm going to change this because I don't want to have that big of an open position anymore. I'm pretty much break even on this one now. Now I'm up on it. Okay, cool. Testing. Ricky, this might be a weird question, but do you take naps and what is your bedtime? Yes, this past week, I have been taking naps, and I don't normally always do this, and it has been messing up with my sleep schedule because now I can't go to sleep as early as I always do, and I wake up earlier now. I woke up today at 4 o'clock. So, yeah, 2 vlogs, bro. Dude, my life is so boring. It is the most boring thing you guys will ever. My life is not something you want to see in a vlog. It is the same thing over and over again. But, all right, so we're waiting for a reversal right here, as you guys can see. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All right. All right, showing healthier signs of a potential reversal. We'll see how it actually plays out. Let's stay patient with this one again. Overall, oh, there it goes. Getting rejected, getting rejected. Wow. TQs so far on the day is bearish. So the overall market should be bearish. So be careful with whatever it is that you're trying to day trade. And if it follows the overall market, that could potentially put you in an unfortunate position. But don't be scared. Just prepare, right? Be prepared so you're not surprised. The last thing that I do want to tell you is, like a lot of you guys have been paying, can I update this? So you guys all know about the wall art that dropped yesterday, right? So we have the aluminum art that's now available in the vertical setup. So if you guys want to check that out, again, once it sells out, it sells out. The thing everyone has been trying to remind us, okay, so the day trader mouse pad's already sold out. We have the bull one, we have the bear one, we have the secure the bag, the hard work pays off. These are 2 new ones. And then we have the Wall Street one. If these sell out, and once they do, they will not be back until the end of next month. Just a heads up. So we always get people that ask us, Ricky, when are you going to restock the mouse pads? They're restocked right now. If you want to pick one up, great. If you don't even worry about it. I just want to make sure that you know that they're back in stock, and then we can go from there. So who made those arts? So we have Jake who packages your orders and ships it all out and takes pictures. He's the guy that models for us on the Instagram account. He's the one with like a tattoo on his arm. He designs everything. He designs everything with like the bull, with the Monopoly art and stuff like that. So you cracked me up. All right. Let's see. And it looks like I'm gonna have to. Dude, come on. What the heck? All right, well, there it goes. Dropping. Oh, nice push. Oh, it's a good one. I like that. I like that. I'm going to sell a portion here. Dang it. It didn't get filled. Single bot. Everyone, they can see that I'm trying to sell and they're like, oh, drop it. Drop TQs now. Drop it. Ricky's trying to get out. Drop it. Sometimes it feels like that. I think it feels like that for everyone, right? All right, well, they all can't go according to plan. All right, well, that's it. Oh! That's an unfortunate one. Well, now it's already back at support level. Now I'm just going to put a stop loss. set up to see if we actually see a change of direction, but unfortunate. All right, so no, I thought I was the only one that gets 4 hours of sleep. No, I mean I definitely when it's my normal schedule, I sleep a lot better. But yeah, and you could always take naps throughout the day, right? Wow. Okay, we are going to have to change our focus today. There we go. Okay. It looks a little bit too on the overbought side for me. For my taste, it's too overbought. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback. I need to chill out and then just wait for that reversal. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that you guys had an absolute amazing, or I hope that you guys enjoyed this trading session. And if you guys did, I'm excited to have you guys on Monday again, and we can go from there. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. And super unfortunate, right? But today is 9/11. And I just want to make sure that you can take time to appreciate those that you guys have in your life, because again, life is too short. So prayers out to all the families that were affected by 9/11, and we're always here for you. So thank you guys again, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.